Hi, Eden. You asked for help for number 1 and 2, so I just wanted to shoot you a video to kind of give you how I would solve it and what it looks like. So the first one asks to write the equation of a line that's parallel. So what it means when a line is parallel is that the slopes are equal. So for parallel lines, you have the same slopes. Same slopes. Okay. And then we've got a point and a line. So what we're going to do is we're going to think of a new line that goes through that point. So if I was kind of like graphically looking at it, this is -5 and it's going up by 2, so it looks something like this. That's the line that I'm drawing right here. And 3, 2 is like here. So my goal is to write the equation of a line that goes through that point that I just drew. So it's got to look something like that. So the big thing about this is what you need from this equation is the slope. So for y equals mx plus b, the slope is the m, which is the number attached to the x. So in this case, the slope is 2. And if I want a line that's parallel, it has to have the same slope. So a parallel line is going to have the exact same slope. And then from there, I've got a point on my line. So if I think this equation, the red one, is y equals 2x plus b, okay, I got the 2 from the parallel lines. I can plug in this point because it has to be on this line. And I'm going to do 2 equals 2 times 3 plus b. Okay, so 2 equals 6 plus b minus 6 over minus 6 over. So b equals -4. And when you write an equation of a line, the only thing that you need are your m and your b. So our m is the 2. That's from the same slope from the other line. And our b we just solved for is -4. So the answer here is y equals 2x minus 4. And then for this next one, okay, we've got a different equation because it doesn't look like y equals mx plus b. But you can make it look like y equals mx plus b by just subtracting 1 over 3. So if you subtract 1 over 3 over, you'll have y equals -1 over 3x plus 10. And then we're going to do the same thing. So again, it's a parallel. So the slope of this line is -1 over 3. The slope of a line parallel has to be the same. So it's -1 over 3, which means that I just have to solve for that b like I did in the last one. So -1 over 3x plus b, plug in my point. This is your x and your y. So -2 equals -1 over 3 times 9 plus b. So I substituted the x from my point in for the x in the equation. -2 equals, and although this is a fraction and it looks really ugly, it actually ends up being like pretty decent. So it's just -3 if you plug that into your calculator. Plus b, so the last thing would be to add the 3 over. So 1 would equal b. And then your last thing is you've got a new slope, you've got your b, so y equals -1/3 x plus 1. Sorry. Okay, I hope that makes better sense. I'll give you another video for number 2.